Gusto niyo bang malaman ang dark theory ni Towie at Lala? Ang masalimuot na nangyari sa kanila. Halika, samahan niyo akong panoorin natin.
You ever heard the dark truth behind of Towie and Lala in Teletubbies? Towie was 7 years old when the incident took place. He had a facial deformity that made his mouth have a constant smile, and he was deaf. He was said to be a troublesome child, and the caretakers would lock him outside. He got frostbite, which caused his limbs to go permanently blue. It is believed that Tinky Winky's character is based on him, and is colored as purple because of the severe frostbite.
Kaya pala.
Let's talk about Lala. Lala had a facial deformity, and her face was stretched, which caused a permanent smile. She was locked in a cold, dark room for 5 years, which impacted her, and she used to dance around the room without music. Her caregivers tortured her and broke her leg, preventing her from dancing. Despite the pain, she always smiled. Due to the lack of sunlight exposure, her skin turned a sickly yellow color.
Kaya naging kulay yellow
Lala's character and the color yellow were inspired by her. Now what do you think? Subscribe and follow for more.
Grabe talaga ang pagkamatay talaga nilang apat. Ngayon alam nyo na ang dark theory ng Teletubbies. For more creepy story, follow for more.